This is a Kikusui PWR800H DC programmable power supply. It's auto-ranging, which means that you can get a high output voltage at a lower current or a low output voltage at a higher current. The total power is limited to 800 watts. The limits are 650 volts max and 4 amps. So, for example, we could have 300 volts at 2.6 amps, which is 800 watts, or 250 volts at 3.2 amps, or any combination you like, limited of course to 800 watts. The unit can be controlled using its front panel or remotely using analog control. A DC voltage or a variable resistor determines the output voltage and current. Digital remote control can be achieved using Kikusui's proprietary TP bus. This needs a separate control unit, but up to 32 power supplies can be managed with one TP bus controller. GPIB, RS-232 or USB can also be used, making it ideal for standalone or systems applications. It can be rack mounted. This power supply can produce either constant voltage or constant current. Very useful in a test environment where you don't want to risk damaging something that's on test. For example, we might set the current to a maximum of 1 amp, like this. Very fine control here. There. That means now 1 amp is the maximum this supply can produce. So, let's turn some output volts on. There's the current increasing. I've got a load of about 10 ohms here. And you can see the output volts going up 5, 6.4 volts, 0.62 amps, and so on. We keep increasing the output voltage until we reach 1 amp, and now you can see constant current is lit up. That means no matter what you do to the voltage, the current will never exceed 1 amp. You can of course set over voltage and over current protection, so the supply will switch off if these limits are exceeded. Very precise values can be set with this unit's fine coarse control, as you've just seen. It's one of a wide range of similar supplies that cover 400 to 1600 watts output. Universal mains input means that it can select 240 or 115 volts automatically. You don't have to change anything yourself. Low ripple, high stability, front and rear output connections, together with a high visibility display, make this an excellent choice of power supply. Contact us at Telonic Instruments for further details.